Drivers and participants of supply chain management. Supply chain major driver. Supply chain administration is the transfer of various practices in the procedure of products from one location to another. Providers, store, shipping, logistic, acquisition, processing center, and distributor are part of supply chain. Five major drivers in supply chain management. First, production. This driver can made responsive by building factories that have a lot excess capacity and use flexible manufacturing technique to produce and wide range of items. To be even more responsive, a company could do their production in my smaller plants that are close to major groups of customers so delivery times would be shorter. 2. Inventory responsiveness can be had by stocking high level of inventory for a wide range of products. Additional responsiveness can be gained by stocking product at many locations so as to inventory close to customer and available to them immediately. Efficiency in inventory management would call for reducing inventory level of all items, and especially of items that do not sell as frequently. 3. Location. A location decision that emphasize responsiveness will be one where company establish many locations that are close to its customer base. For example, fast food chain as location to be very responsive their customer by opening up lots up store in high volume market. Efficiency can be achieved operating from only few locations and centralizing activities in common location. 4. Transportation. Responsiveness can be achieved by a transportation mode that is fast and flexible such as a truck airplane. Many companies that sell product through catalogs or on the internet are able to provide a level of responsiveness by using transportation to deliver their product within 48 hours or less. 5. Information. The power of this driver grows stronger every year in this technology for collecting and sharing information becomes more widespread, easiest to use, and less expensive. Information, much like money, is very useful commodity because it can be applied directly to enhance the performance of the four supply chain drivers. Five major factors in supply chain. 1. Production. What, how, and when to produce. 2. Inventory. How much to make, how much to stock. 3. Location. Where best to do what activity. 4. Transportation. How and when to move product. 5. Information. Basis for making this decision. Participants in the supply chain. First, producer. Different than supplier, producer represent the business that are in charge of transforming the raw material into finished product. Second, distribution. Distribution management in the supply chain is essential to ensure right quality and quantity of material are ordered and the right quantity of product is delivered at the right sale points. 3. Retailers. Retailers are the pioneer organization in the supply chain connecting manufacturer consumer. They purchase goods from supplier or manufacturer, stock them, and then sell them to end customer. Customer or consumer are individual or organization that purchase and use product service. Service provider, logistic service provider are vital pieces of the supply chain. They responsible for providing transportation, warehousing, and production management. They help companies manage their supply chain in way that ensure the best possible outcome. 5. Aligning the supply chain with business strategy. First, define and communicate a clear corporate strategy. 2. Identify the areas of corporate strategy that are enabled by the supply chain. 3. Align supply chain performance metrics with the corporate strategy. 4. Structure your supply chain to optimize the strategic goals. 5. Align incentives end-to-end.